Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the file into Spss, open the program, and import the dataset immediately. Once imported, move to Variable View and define names and measurement levels so Spss understands the data. Make sure to set value labels and missing values now. This prevents errors later. If you have codes like 99 for missing, change them here. These first steps align Spss processing with your study logic, so subsequent commands and outputs are meaningful and reproducible. Once variables are defined, inspect distributions with frequencies and descriptives to find outliers or impossible values. Then, transform data using compute or recode to create analysis-ready variables. Use doIF for conditional edits. This both documents and standardizes changes. If your design needs weighting or subsetting, apply weight cases or select cases so analyzes reflect your intent. Keep syntax for every transformation so you can reproduce or reverse changes. Reproducibility saves time, and now run the intended analyses. Pick from descriptives, compare means, correlate, regression, or advanced models. Make selections and options deliberately so output matches hypotheses. Once results appear, inspect tables and charts in the output viewer, then export the file as PDF or Word and save the syntax file. That preserves your exact steps. If something looks wrong, a single troubleshooting tip: verify coding, filters, and missing value settings first. Most errors trace to mismatched variable definitions or unintended case selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.